Hi everybody, Alex Employer from Expert Forex, and in today's video we're going to be talking about simple and easy ways to start trading our EAs. And these are so simple that even basic beginners can be traded within 10 to 15 minutes. Now our Make Money EA remains the number one EA in our 14 EA portfolio, and they still have the top 6 positions out of about over 40 trading accounts. So the Make Money is an exceptional EA. And if you want to get more information about our products, you can go to the Expert Forex website. And we've decided to focus on the Make Money EA for this first simple and easy implementation process. And here's the website I mentioned earlier. Here, there's the Make Money EA, but you can buy all of our trading EAs for 80% off as a bundle. So if you go and visit this website, click on the 80%, you will see that there's a facility to purchase most of our EAs at 80% off. So what is the quick start process do? And we've made it as simple as possible, a step-by-step process so that even the most basic beginner can just follow the process step by step to get to a point where they are trading within 10 to 15 minutes. So the process covers downloading the EA, installing the EA on your MetaTrader platform, adding the settings which we provide, licensing the EA, because all our EAs are licensed. They are licensed for 2 computers. You can use them as many times as you want on as many platforms and as many accounts as you want, as long as you don't use more than 2 computers. And then there's a strategy selection section where we tell you which are the good currencies to use, the good time frames to use, the best settings to use, the position sizing that you should use, so there are no uncertainties about how to implement this EA. And then the last step is we simply go and show you how to start trading. And all of this can be done within 10 to 15 minutes. And furthermore, the whole process is supported extremely well. We have free technical and trading EA support. We have immediate one-on-one online technical and trading support. Have a one-on-one conversation with you, dial into your computer and help you with any issues that you might have. It is a paid service because you're dealing with highly qualified technical and trading expert. And when I say immediate, that doesn't mean 24/7. It means that if you contact us and we are available, we will talk to you immediately. There's the other one where you can do a book service, which is then an arranged appointment, and we can do the same thing, have a one-on-one online technical or trading support session with you and chat through all your trading challenges and so forth, and help you by possibly dialing into your computer and actually helping you with any areas that you need assistance. And then all our EAs come with a comprehensive user guide. So the EAs are not only simple to implement, but they're extremely well supported. So the next question is, where do I find this process? I'm an existing owner of the EA, or I'm about to buy the EA. Where do I find the process? So when you purchase the EA and you have finalized your PayPal process, PayPal will in fact send you to that process, so you can start straight away. The process is also available on the EA support forums. We've got forums for all of our EAs, support forums, and the process is available on that particular forum. And on the EA Factory website, the EA Factory delivers these EAs and helps you with the implementation and also the technical support. On the page where you download the EA from, there is a link to this particular process. And then if you still can't find that, here is the actual link to the process, so you can actually go and activate that link. You'll see the link appearing on your top right hand side right about now if you want to take a shortcut. Otherwise, that link will be in the description and in the comments of this particular video. Now, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is an example of how we are trying to make it as easy as possible for people to enjoy the benefits of our EAs, even if you are a complete beginner. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.